What a beautiful day to be working in the garden.
I've optimized the bucket carriers for maximum load.
According to my tablet, we're right on schedule. The earth smells so wonderfully of fresh potatoes today. Look at that downturn in the commodities index. Wait a minute. That's not a loss. It's an opportunity. I've got it.
Dad is right. The raw selling price is just enough to break even.
There must be another way. We cannot sell our hard work for cheap.
This method is too slow, Mom, and it uses too much oil.
French fries. But not the old kind. A brand of French fries. Crispy. Golden. We'll call them Crispy Whisker Fries.
Good idea. But how do we mass produce them while maintaining quality and health?
Observe the humble potato. Often underestimated, yet within this tuber lies the key to interstellar travel. Isn't science grand?
Lily, I can smell the starch from all the way over here. A surplus problem, isn't it?
Yes, Dr. Agri. We want to make Crispy Whisker Fries.
Wonderful. I've just upgraded the Agrimorph with a new Air Crisp module.
It uses bioplasma energy to cook. Not a single drop of oil. Absolutely crispy.
Plasma? I can power it with solar panels.
Send us the machine right away, Doctor.
All right, easy now. Keep it steady on the ramp.
I got the jack secure. Almost clear of the truck.
Ready, Tom? Activate the BioRing energy loop.
Salt, paprika, and just a hint of these lovely herbs. This is what makes the dish special.
that? I've never seen anything like it.
Well, I'll be. That changes everything.
Not a drop of oil, only the fragrant aroma of potatoes and spices. Unbelievably delicious. So crispy.
When knowledge and nature come together, miracles are born from the hands of labor. Well, a bumper harvest. A true bumper harvest, Whisker family.
Here's the large, crispy Whisker fries.
Wow, thank you. They look amazing.
So good.
Try this blend. It's wonderful in stews.
Wow, that aroma is incredible.
And you can find the full recipe right here on the tablet.
Wow. So crispy.
This is incredible. May I ask what your family's secret is?
No secret at all. Just golden potatoes, love, and a bit of science.
An inspiration that shows modern agriculture can create great value from raw produce.
And with the new system, yields could increase by 20%.
Did you see that?
20%!
We have to try this. It changes everything.
If the Whisker family can do it with potatoes, what can we do with corn and pumpkins?
Too many, Mr. Oates. I'm just afraid the raw selling price will be low again.
With this profit, we can do more than just keep it for ourselves. When we believe in the seed, the harvest will always far exceed the season. Wow, look at all of them! We're gonna have mashed potatoes for years!
We have too much starch energy here.
Boiled potatoes, mashed potatoes. We can't eat all of this in a month. With this profit, we can do more than just keep it for ourselves. When we believe in the seed, the harvest will always far exceed the season. When we believe in the seed, the harvest will always far excel the season.